YouTube just made monetizing a whole lot harder. And as a small creator who has been struggling to get monetized for what feels like forever, I won't lie, I'm heartbroken. I started YouTube 5 years ago in 2020 during the pandemic. I did it for a few months and I got overwhelmed with the scripting, the editing, the posting, all these things. And so I left off. I picked it back up last year and I started posting again. Then I became a mom, and so I wasn't consistent on it. And I'm guessing YouTube just like, girl, did you think 4,000 watch hours was hard to get? Now let's see how you get it to 8,000. And so instead for me to start complaining about the watch hours or how they're changing their policies, I've decided to take it into my hands to change things on my platform. My videos barely get 1,000 views, and the ones that pop off, I don't have enough videos for me to even amount to that watch hours. So I want to change that by implementing different strategies on this channel. If you're a small creator also wanting to get monetized, you might as well follow along because I'm going to turn this YouTube channel into an experiment. Right now, the main YouTube partner program threshold for ad revenue is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. That's for long form videos, and 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views for short form videos. By starting February 1st, 2027, YouTube is scheduled to increase it to 1,000 subscribers and 8,000 watch hours within the last 365 days for long form content, and 1,000 subscribers and 20 million views in 90 days for shorts. So the bar is literally being raised up high. If you're already monetized, these changes don't affect your channel in any way. I think you only have to make 1,000 hours within 365 days, which your old videos are going to give you that even if you don't make no videos. But for us small creators who are not monetized, this is a wake-up call. It's time for us to log in. We are officially in our locked in for YouTube era. After watching successful YouTubers, these are the things I'll be implementing onto my channel to help me hit the 4,000 watch hours before the new changes come into place. In no particular order, starting with the first one, I have to log in. We have to log in. So normally my schedule is to post once a week, but I think that schedule of posting once a week is not helping me. My videos don't get a lot of views. I have a few videos that pop up here and there, but if I don't put out more videos, I don't think the algorithm has a lot to work with. So starting now, I'll start doing 2 videos a week, no longer once a week or once every 2 weeks, or when I feel like it. I'll actually have to put that into my calendar and make sure that I make those videos. The next thing, I'm going to be prioritizing long form videos. So right now I make a lot of shorts because I repurpose them to Instagram and TikTok, but I'll start doing longer videos so I can amount or I can get those watch hours. I won't just make crazy long form videos because I want my watch hours. I'll try to still put out valuable content on the content that have already worked for me. I try to talk about them in different ways, make them longer, 10 minutes or longer, so that my watch hours can count into getting me monetized. The third thing I'll try to do is to stop overthinking content day. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I have to create videos for YouTube, I feel like I'm doing for a movie production. I need to script, I need to plan the day, I need to plan the outfit, I need to plan the lighting, I need to plan all these things. So, and sometimes if I don't get all these checklists ticked, I might end up not filming the video. So I want to start being spontaneous about just picking my camera and making the videos and go. The next thing, I'm going to document what I'm actually doing. So one thing I've learned is instead of me as always asking what am I going to make a video about, I'll start sharing what I'm already doing. So I'm on a journey to make 10K a month from side hustles. I'll probably start giving updates, like weekly updates of how much I made, the different side hustles that I'm doing, the advantages, the disadvantages, how they went on each day. And so that way I have a correlating story or something for people to always want to come back to. The fifth one, I'll do more of what works. This sounds so obvious, but most of us actually don't follow it. We make a video, it does well, and the next day we're moving on to something completely unrelated. So if I make a video, or for my old videos that I've done well, I'll try to make follow-up videos or updated videos for the same thing, the same topic, or try to answer the questions, or try to make the videos in a different angle. Go down to the comment section, whatever people are asking, and make updated videos on those things. So that way I know this is already working, this thing too is going to work. The next thing I'm going to be trying on this channel is the Hun Hero Help method. I saw this from another creator. I think her name is Hello Curry. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. So this is basically you putting your content into different categories. The help method is you making content for your existing community to keep them engaged. The hero content is you sharing your journey. So me on a journey to make 10K a month from side hustles, on a journey to run a marathon, on a journey to do this. So this is documenting things that people are going to come in. The last one is the help content, where you help people get a desired outcome. So you create like how-to videos. Let me say how to bake a cake, 5 ways you can earn money from side hustles, how I made money, mystery shopping, all those things that help the next person level up. Also, I'm going to stop obsessing over my watch hours. This one is personal. I wake up every morning checking my subscriber count, my watch hours. I'm going to stop doing that. Maybe now I'll check once a week to see which videos are doing best and what to replicate more, rather than just refreshing as though something is going to happen overnight or I'm going to get extra 1000 watch hours overnight. The next thing I'm going to do is to use SEO tools. I don't use any tools on my channel yet, but I plan to get vidIQ. So this is going to help me with content ideas, relevant search tags, SEO scores, thumbnails, titles, so I know how my videos are ranking and how to even improve them so people can get to see them. Because if you make a good video but you don't have maybe the good titles or the relevant tags for them to show up when people are searching for those things, those videos will be left unattended or unseen. Also, I'm going to study other creators. I don't mean copy them, I mean study them. If I look at a successful YouTuber, I'll see maybe, okay, what are the titles, or how did they put their titles, what are their hooks, how was the intro, what made me to click on the video, what made me to stay watching the video to a certain point, or what made me to watch it till the end, and I'll try to replicate that for myself. I'm also going to try to drive traffic from social media platforms to my YouTube videos. So if I'm making this YouTube video now, a long form content, I'll try to make the shorter versions and post it on my social media, then asking people to come to YouTube to watch it. That way I can get my watch hours and all my social media platforms will be working together instead of working separately. I'm also going to be using playlists. This sounds so simple, but I want to be intentional about it. I'll try to categorize my videos into different sections. So if I'm talking about motherhood, Amazon influencing, side hustles, YouTube, I put them in one place or in a particular playlist. That way, if somebody stumbles on one of my videos and it's interesting to them, they watch that one. I want the next video to be right there for them to keep watching. And lastly, I'm going to start going live. This one I'm actually nervous about because I've never really made lives a regular thing. But since we are trying to generate watch hours, we have to get creative. And I think this is a great way for me to engage with my audience while still also building up those watch hours. So we can do like weekly Q&A sessions. We can do mom side also Q&As. We can do mom chats, or we can just sit there and chat and just have fun with each other and build up these hours. I want to get monetized, or I pray to get monetized by February. I want to be consistent. I'm not here sitting like I have the secret sauce of getting monetized or anything of that sort. If I did, I would have already been monetized. But these are the plan, or this is the plan that I want to follow for me to be able to get to 4,000 watch hours before February 1st, 2027. So please, if you have more tips on how you can build up your watch hours, how you can get monetized faster, please leave them down in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share with another small creator who is trying to get monetized. Let's lock in before it's February 2027. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.